Hi, it's Lauren here from the BGS Comms team again. We're back at the Lyell Centre. John, a familiar face now, can you tell us what's going on at the behind us?
I certainly can, and it's nice this time, Lauren. We've got a really good vantage point with a good view down over the site. What we're looking at the moment, directly behind us here, is the basement area of the BGS wing. Okay. And this is where we will have the plant equipment for the building, but also the cycle storage, lockers, shower facility for the occupants of the building. The other main thing which is, I'm pleased to say, has come along in the 3 weeks since we were here last, is we have the steel frame of the building is going up, as you can see behind us now. As I reported last time, it's a couple of weeks later than we would have hoped, but it's pleasing to see it's now getting in place very quickly, as I thought, and hopefully by the end of June we should see basically the whole outline of the building by the steel frame.
Okay, so we can see the BGS wing here. Yep. That's the basement area.
It is the basement area. And
why does it look shorter than the Heriot-Watt footprint?
It's a little bit of its perspective because of the angle we're looking down at it, but it's hard to see at the moment. But the BGS wing will continue and will arc round all the way where we've got the two diggers working at the moment, the two JCBs. And we'll go all the way around where the guys are working by the perimeter fence. What you can see over there, we mentioned last time, the aquarium area of the Heriot-Watt wing, and that's where the two wings of the building will join. So we are more or less at the end of the BGS ground floor wing, but there will be a lot more of it will appear once we get the levels sorted out at the end of the basement area and they start to sweep around.
Okay, but yeah, that makes more sense. Okay. So is everything still on the schedule, everything on time?
Yes. There's no more reported delays. We've had a little bit of bad weather, a few days of rain since we were here last, but nothing which has slowed anything down. The site's still pretty nice and dry. And the only other thing really progress to report is we do now have a webcam covering the site. So it does look down on the site, and that it's already available to internal BGS users to see. Hopefully soon it will also be going up on the BGS website for everybody to have a look at the site.
Hi, I'm with David again. We've come over to what was before just a rubbly field, and now it's changed quite a lot. David, can you talk us through what's going on?
Yes, there's three activities going on at the moment. Okay. Firstly, behind us, the foundations are the pad foundations for the steel frame for the support building are being constructed, and the guys here are actually they're making up reinforcement cages that will form the pad foundations for the frame. Okay. And just to behind us on the right, there are boreholes being constructed 150 metres deep for the ground source heat pump, which will use the stable temperature in the ground to heat the building and reduce the energy consumption of the building. And behind you, there's a very deep hole in the ground, about 24 feet, 25 feet, that's 8 metres, that's going to be constructed for a test well for marine operations, 4 metres in diameter and 8 metres deep.
It's really coming on. Is everything on time?
More or less, just about, and the weather's been very kind, so you can see the site's nice and dry at the moment, and that has helped enormously.
Brilliant. Thanks very much. Cheers.
Thank you.